DJ accomplish your favorite song. He say tang taka tang, ram pa pa pam. DJ accomplish your favorite song 'cause she need to feel it. Pull up and feel it. She need a real selector. DJ accomplish your favorite song. DJ accomplish your favorite song. DJ accomplish your favorite song. DJ ram pa pa pam 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 pa pa pam 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 pa pa pam.
I'm right to go there too? Yeah, I'm going right for them, right where you're just talking to them. So.
The place select, place your order. Soundwave for dead, Sergeant Slaughter. Helicopter pad, mad maneuver. Rhythm kind of bad producer. Front line for the gallem, I'm in the corner. Start murking on the random in any order. Selector run it back, I'll feel a Buddha. Got the rum papa pum firing Suda.
Rise on the rhythm, fire ignition. The way she moves takes over him. Take her position, I'm so addicted. Come make a move, take over him. Ram pa pa pam 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 pa pa pam. DJ accomplish your favorite song. They come taka taka. Pa pa pam. DJ accomplish your favorite song 'cause she needs to feel it.
Yeah, we're good. No, look through the... Look, take a crawl. You're gonna see them walking here, and then you can pop up and then shoot them as they're coming up the stairs. Are you seeing anybody? Shoot him again. Where is it coming on? Did you hear that? What do you want to say to the people?
What can I say?
Whatever you want.
Okay, Keely, I'll have you here. Dion, I'll have you here as well. I'll give Aiden, I'll give you Beam. We'll see how it goes. I'll have you here, boss.
Alright. Huh? Who?
That was him?
Yeah.
You have that whole Nike suit? Yeah, that's like he showed me you.
Yeah, I was like, yo, you gotta see this guy playing a fucking Nike tag.
Yeah, bro.
Max in a t-shirt for the fire. We don't stop at all. Them not ready for the heavy flow. That 98 octane petty flow. That lift up your bevy, get merry flow. You know, say we're everything and where it's.
Guys, push up.
Give me space, let me breathe. Let me do it top hatch, that's the light in the fire.
Got him?
And don't wear no design.
He's gone.
Air Max in a t-shirt for a fiver. We don't
space, let me breathe, let me build it up, hash, weed and cheese. Give me space, let me breathe, let me build it up, hash, weed and cheese. That's the light and the vibe, I don't wear no design. Air Max and a t-shirt for a fiver, but we don't stop at all. Them already, very heavy now. That 98 box ain't penny through. That lifts up your bevy, get merry flow. You know, say with everything they wearing on. Are they ready? Them already know. Why not? Them boy, they are poppy shoe. What you telling? Tell them simmer down. Are they raving? Coming true.
Make it across, make it across.
Sorry, dude. Yo, will you leave your phone? Yeah. There you go. Can you ask everyone
Absolutely savage, cutthroat. What about the mic? I'm way too evil. Spit two girls and fill your pipe punching the diesel. Like heroin mixed up with crystal meth, I'm lethal. And I don't get along with two. Spirits, not into the games with the gimmicks. I ain't got no limits. I'm always ready and steady. I've always been legendary. So if you disrespect the thing, I'll leave you all dead and buried. My thoughts are venomous like cobras and black adders. My emotions keep going up and down like swings and ladders. I'm sharp like a samurai, sharp like blades and daggers. These other MCs are weaker than weak bladders. I am a lyrical demon, legendary like Morgan Freeman. You know what me to the switch like when I switch on the tip like Simpsons. I am a lyrical renegade, blowing up like a hand grenade. As soon as I pull the pin, it's game over like an arcade. You might see me on the perimeter, turn up the bass and limiter. I'm always antisocial, I don't wanna see no visitor.
Good shit, bro. David, I'm gonna go. Oh, fuck. Okay, come back.
When I'm on the drums and bass, I'm active. My flows are psychedelic, my lyrics are psychoactive. It's game over, like when you get killed in the gulag. Wrap you up like a sorry, tie you up like a do-rag. Grimy, savage, carnage, damage. Can you handle the pressure? Trust me, you can't manage. I'm genuine and organic.
I'm burning sage and freedom is the reason why I fight for.
Sorry, Keely. Only your head was showing, bro. My bad. Yeah! Follow him, follow him.
Fully loaded, ready, never folding. Active when I'm on a mission. Check the stats, we leave you floating. It's vacant and it's open, shaky and it's broken.